Hello friends, happy Monday. Today is the 3rd of July 2023. I hope you have been having a great weekend, and I have something a little different and fun. I've been so excited about this. I was contacted by a company called Your Creative Studio and asked to do a collaboration with them on an unboxing and then a project with the contents of this box. So yeah, I thought how fun. They thought that my viewers would be interested in their products, and I'm sure you all will. So the box came, I think it was Friday or Saturday, I can't remember now, and as you can see, I have not opened it. It's still taped closed, and I'm just so excited to see what's inside here, but I wanted to wait and do it online with all of you. So let's get started. We had friends in town over the weekend, so that is why I put it off until today. And I believe this is their box from March. They said it was the bee box. So here is what it looks like inside here. And look at this sweet card that can totally be used because it just says "Be Happy" on there. Isn't that so cute? Thank you so much for your purchase. I hope you would enjoy this collection. And they did send me this box. I didn't purchase it. They sent it to me to do the unboxing and a project. Okay, so let me see if I can pull this out. It's wrapped up so pretty here. And I will just set the actual box aside. Okay, so it has some pretty paper wrapped around everything here that I don't want to ruin because, of course, I'll want to save this and use it. So let me see if I can carefully pull this sticker off without doing too much damage. It's going to peel the paper some there, but most of the paper will still be usable. I love how they package everything up in little separate packages. This is going to be so much fun to open. Okay, so this says masking tape washi. Let me see if I can pull this up. Look at these cute little bags. Okay, so some pretty bee-themed washi tape here. How cute. I love the honeycomb in the background, and the bees are pretty darn realistic looking, I have to say. Very nice. Okay, what is next? Ooh, a cling stamp. I don't know whether to pull the... Here, let me see if I can just peel this down. Oh, how pretty. It looks like a daisy with a bee there. There we can see it a little better. Nice. And here we have another stamp. Well, the little picture's on the front there. This one, this being my first box, I don't know, but see, you can see what the image looks like. So this looks like there's a couple of bees at the honeycomb here. Oh, there's 3 stamps in here. Okay. So there's the bees at the honeycomb. And then here is a sweet little jar of honey with the fabric across the lid. So cute. These are nice looking quality red rubber cling mounted stamps. And here's another sweet little jar of honey. So there's the difference between the 2 jars. Adorable. Look at this. How cute is that, you guys? It's a bookmark. I love it. It's like jewelry. That is so cute. And what have we got here? This is so exciting. Okay, it's a little like matchbox. Let me get something better here to open this with. It's like Christmas. Getting to open something that you have no idea what's inside. Okay. Song of Twilight, that says right there. Oh, it's like little ephemera. So it looks like there's a couple of each piece. You know what these would be perfect for, especially this shape here, are the tags on my altered tea bags. Totally going to use some of these for that. Yeah, they're like the perfect size. Those square ones. That says chapter. This little one says from. These are so cute. May. So just all these little ephemera pieces. These, yeah, these are going to be fun. That one says January. Birds. Little roses. Oh yeah, perfect for a lot of these for those tea bags that I've been making and having so much fun with. I just love how everything is packaged. That box is so cute. Could totally put a little gift in there. Ooh, what is this? Oh my goodness. I hope you're seeing how gorgeous this is. It says 3 pieces in here. I'm just going to pull out one. Oh, they're stickers. Oh my goodness. So they've got all that gorgeous metallic on them. Yeah, those are all individual stickers, you guys. Those are beautiful. And here you can kind of see, I'm not going to pull all of those out, but you can see, look at the pretty butterflies. So pretty. This looks like one of those little books of, I bought one of these before, and it was, the one that I bought was full of little vellum, like just little, all kinds of little vellum. Oh, it looks like a book. How cute is that? It says flower manual on the side. That's adorable. It's like my little miniature books, but this one is full of stuff to create with. Okay. Yep. So tons of images in here. Sorry, I know I'm showing them upside down. I don't know. I think you kind of have to pull the spine back because it's, I don't want to tear it all apart. Oh, look at the piano. So many cute things in here. Dragonflies. Just great little things that you could put in journals or on a card. I'm thinking you could take some of these images and kind of use them like stamps. Ooh, there's vellum ones in here too. These are just gorgeous. Oh, look at the bunny. These are so cute. So, okay, so you can see there's paper ones, there's a section of vellum, and then let me get down to this last section and see if there's any difference there of what those are. Just back to paper ones, I think. Ooh, I love the colors. That is so pretty. How fun is this? Alfalfa. I didn't know alfalfa got blooms on it like that. Okay, fun, fun, fun. Now, these would be perfect to go inside of the little tea bags. Totally gonna have to do some tea bags with some of these things, that's for sure. Okay, what have we got here? Masking tape. Isn't that pretty? It looks, I know it says masking tape, but it looks like almost like napkin paper to me. Let me pull this off and see. I'm going to tuck that inside because I don't want the sticky to tear. This. Oh, it's not tape, that's for sure. This feels like tissue paper. Yeah, there's several sheets of it. Totally feels like tissue paper. It's really lovely. Okay, next. Oh, some cute labels. Be happy. Now that would be really cute to put on the outside of a Happy Mail envelope, right? And next, written memory. Handwritten memory. So it's another little tablet with bigger, and this is really, really nice feeling paper. It's got a little texture to it. So it's like all little, I'm sorry, I get caught up in like trying to read what that says. No, the boy's father hasn't died yet, but he is still on the verge of death. The fellow is still at home. So it's just like pieces of letters, old letters. Cool. I love this stuff. All right, what have we got here? Retro Creative Material Package for Lucky Day. Okay, let's see what it is. Ooh, more little paper pieces and vellum. Oh, there's some holly. Oh, pretty daisies. That's really pretty. So just interesting textures, different papers, some of it vellum, some of it just like a regular paper. That's interesting. Ooh, very pretty. This is so much fun. Okay. Still going. What's next? Sticky notes. Very cute. So those would be fun to stick inside a journal. Just tear a few pages of that off and have as a little extra in a journal. And then, ooh, Your Creative Studio paper ephemera contains 24 sheets, 6 sticker paper, 6 vellum, 6 art paper, and 6 patterned papers. Looks amazing in your cards, journal spreads, scrapbook, tags, and much more. Let's take a little look. And this background paper here, heavier, can totally be used also. Isn't that gorgeous? I mean, look at the honey dripping down and wow. This is so pretty. And then these are vellum. Polka dots. And there's that same design that was in the paper. Beautiful. I can't tell if these are, these almost feel like they're the sticker. I don't know. These may be the sticker, and it's in the same designs here as the others. Yeah, I think those were the sticker ones, and this is a lovely feeling kind of paper here. And again, these are, it's just the same patterns again. Yeah, so nice. Paper ephemera. So that is the package. So many things. Now they do these boxes as a subscription, and So you'll have to go check them out, Your Creative Studio, and take a look at their subscription boxes. And I know I'm not sure if you can go back in and like purchase past boxes or whatever. I think maybe you can. But you get so much nice stuff in here. I mean, stamps and all of these other things. I think that's an amazing box, you guys. So thanks for watching me do this unboxing. And now it's time for me to get my creative juices flowing and come up with some projects with all these lovely supplies. It shouldn't be too difficult because there's so many pretty things to choose from in here. And thank you so much to Your Creative Studio for sending me this box. And I will get some ideas together and do another video here in the very near future showing some projects that I've made with these lovely things. Okay, come back and see me in my next video. Take care. Bye-bye.